In today's video, I'll teach you how to archive order on Amazon. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here, you'll be able to see your account name. Also, you'll be able to find the option for account and lists. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for your account, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for orders. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the orders interface. You'll be able to see all the orders that you placed over here. Right now I haven't placed any order, but if you want to archive any order, what you have to do is simply find that specific order. Once you find that, at the bottom right corner of that specific order, you'll be able to find the option for archive order. All you have to do is click on it. After that, a pop-up window will appear. What you have to do is simply confirm the archive. Once you do that, your order will be archived. So that is how you archive order on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.